How to delete Uber Eats account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can delete Uber Eats account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To delete your Uber Eats account is very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Uber Eats app and make sure that you're signed into the account that you want to delete. Then just tap on the account option from the bottom right. Then simply go to the option called help. From the help section, go to account and payments. From account and payments, go to account settings. From account settings, go to I need help deleting my Uber Eats account. And once you select that, tap on delete my Uber account link here. It will open up in a browser. You have to log in once again from here. Then it can say delete your account. So the following profiles will get deleted: Uber rider, Uber Eats, and Uber driver. If you're sure you want to delete it, deleting Uber Eats account will delete your whole Uber account, which means the Uber rider account as well. And if you have a driver account, that will also get deleted. So keep that in mind. Then tap on continue, and then you'll be able to delete your Uber Eats account. This way you can delete your Uber Eats account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.